You use this to put your eyeshadow on? Hey guys, it's me Ann, and this is Beauty with Me. Mother's Day is just around the corner. In fact, it is just a week away, and I am lucky enough to have my mom here in studio. The last time we filmed an episode together, it was the DIY skincare challenge, and we did masks together. Do you remember that? Today, we are upping the ante. We are going to swap makeup routines for 3 days. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little red button down below. Beauty with Me comes out every single Monday at 11 a.m. So this is pretty much everything that I'd wear on any given day. I switch it up on the eyes and the lips, but it is usually this many products.
Well, mine.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products there. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17! How long does your makeup routine usually take you in the morning?
Less than 5 minutes.
Well, it takes me around 15 to 20. So this is all of my makeup that I wear on a pretty daily basis. Do you feel like my makeup style has changed a lot since I was a kid? Since I was in like high school and middle school?
Yes, definitely.
In what way?
Well, you hardly put on makeup when you were in school.
Like in middle school and high school, I wore like a little bit of like, remember I went through a phase where I only wore bottom eyeliner? Remember, I went through a Bare Minerals foundation phase. Remember that? You got me?
Yes, Bare Minerals and Clinique.
Yeah,
both,
for prom.
Yeah.
So how about your makeup style? Did you ever wear foundation?
No, ever.
All right, well, this is a lot. I know, you probably don't remember everything.
No, I don't.
So I wrote you
Oh no, oh no.
a little routine, step-by-step routine, a quick 14 steps, and you're out the door. Did you make me a little recipe too?
Yes, I did. Look.
How many steps are there?
It's 5.
So tomorrow is a brand new day, and you're gonna have to do this look.
Let me keep this then.
Yeah, you can keep this. If you don't have it, you will forget.
Well, let me take a picture.
Oh, you can have the paper.
Okay.
All right, without further ado, we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, day 1 of the Mom Swap Makeup Challenge. Okay. I'm just gonna put some moisturizer on my face because nothing else goes on it. You have to put foundation on.
Oh, okay, let's see. Which one's first? This is overwhelming. My personal makeup artist.
Next up is concealer, and I usually just put it under my eyes and around my nose. Where do you feel like you want to put it?
Nowhere.
So what I like to do is I like to just squeeze a little bit from the top, tap, and then brush it onto my cheeks and blend it out like that. I'm gonna start my routine, and it starts with eyebrows, right?
Right.
So we just finished doing our makeup swap. I finished in like 2 minutes. This is the look. How long would you say yours took?
I don't know.
I think it was, no, it was like 25 minutes.
It was 25, but it was fun.
I think for me, mostly it's just like I feel really weird without mascara and without the cat eye.
You're right.
I wear mascara every single day. So I'm very curious to see if anyone at work will notice.
Okay, well today I didn't do too much. I just walked along Fulton Street, but on the way there, I had 2 people said hi to me. So I'm wondering, is it just me or is it Mian's makeup? I don't know.
Gotta say the day was pretty uneventful. I got a couple of comments about how I should blend my eyeshadow more. One thing that I did like was that I could touch my face and like nothing's gonna come off on it. Hey guys, so it is day 2 of the challenge and this is what I'm working with today. I stayed up really late last night, so I'm kind of puffy, and this is the time that I would usually call upon a little bit of extra concealer, a little bit of highlighter, but my mom doesn't wear any of those things. So my face is completely exposed.
This is the makeup done. It's Mian's makeup. It took a little bit longer than my usual thing, but it's way faster than the first day, right? I think I can get used to this.
Hi guys, it is the 3rd and final day of the mom makeup swap.
Yeah, and it's my last day here.
I know, sad. Today she's rocking a bit of a more intense look. I'll bring you closer. Look, close your eyes. So she's got some blue eyeshadow on top, some red on the bottom, and it's actually kind of inspired by a look that I did on my Instagram a few months ago. I'm really into the blue eyeshadow and the red lip look, which is kind of similar to what you might have worn in the 80s, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But how overall have you liked the experience switching makeup with me?
It still takes a little bit more time than usual. I don't particularly like the foundation because I don't think it makes a difference. I like the different colored eyeshadow.
That's like the most fun part.
Right, and she's taught me this new trick to bring out my cheekbones, which is
with the highlighter.
Yeah, with
you like the highlighter?
I like the highlighter.
I gave her a new highlighter that she could use. Well, for me, I think I'm very excited to go back to wearing more like this and playing with more colors, because I think it's definitely a way that I express myself, and I really just want to be able to. I have so much makeup, right?
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
I want to be able to use it.
Yep.
Well, that was the whole challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully we can get her in another video soon.
Okay,
bye. Thanks so much for watching us, guys. Let us know what you want to see next on Beauty with Me in the comments down below. Click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another episode of Beauty with Me. Bye.